Hello! Now we'll solve the following exercise using the Python language. Write a Python program with a function that receives a list A of integer numbers and return a new list containing only one occurrence of each element from A. As always, the code and the exercise list is in the description of the video, and if you like, subscribe. Well, we have to write a function and we have to test this function. So our code will be divided into two parts here. The function and the main down below to test it. The main. Okay. Now, what we want is basically the unique elements from the list. So let's define our function, which we'll call unique elements. And this function will receive a list, input list, and we will return the unique list. Return the unique list. Okay, now how can we select the unique elements from the list? We have the sets, which can be used. With a set, it's very easy because the set does not have multiple copies of elements, and we can do it by, well, with a loop, checking each element from the input list and verifying if they are in the unique list. If they are not, we insert it. So let's do it both ways. First way, the unique list will be the input list turned into a set. Okay, this operation here, the set only allows one copy of each element. So by turning this operation here, we already eliminated all the copies that we had. However, we do not have a list now, we have a set. And then we just go back to a list. And this should be it. Let's do here something to test. Let's use the example here. The test, okay. The unique elements. The unique will be unique elements, which will receive the test. And we print unique. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Perfect. The 5 is repeated, the 6 also have a copy, and the 3 also have a copy. So yes, one copy of each element, it worked. Now, the second way that we spoke about, from this one, we would need another list, an empty list, and we would be checking iteratively if the elements in the input list are in this unique list. Okay, so we started with a list, an empty list, and we go through each element in the input list. So for I in input list, if I is not on unique list, so not I in unique list, then we insert it in unique list dot append I, and this should basically be it. Let's test it. 2, 5, 6, 3, 8, 4, 1. Okay, perfect. No copy. No copies too. Okay, so let's review what we did here. We created an empty list, okay, and we navigated through each element in the input list, and we checked if this element was not in our unique list. If this element was not in your unique list, then we inserted it. So we have only one copy of each element. And this is it. It's quite simple. Thank you.